is Olani, and what are we going to be discussing about? We are going to be discussing about what to look for when you want to purchase any system, any computer, be it laptop, desktop. What to look out for. There are things we look out for. We in the business know what we look out for. There's a whole lot of things we look out for in comparing laptops together before you purchase anyone, before you make any purchase. And I have laptops here in which I'm going to be talking about their specifications and anything you need for you to get a good working laptop. Be it you want to use it for programming, for gaming, for personal use, anyone. And also, as the specification is, will determines the prices of such laptops. Now, take for example this HP, this Pavilion, this mini Pavilion system. Now, when you want to buy something like this has it uses 4 gig RAM. It uses 4 gig RAM and 500 gig. 500 gig. That is the storage capacity. 500 gig. It's also a screen touch. This system is also a screen touch. So, when buying any system, you put all these specifications into consideration. Also with the battery, how does the battery last? That determines how the system will be. The prices of that system will be higher or lower. Also the screen touch, also they put the screen touch into consideration. Any system that has a screen touch, of course the price will be higher as well. And also keyboard light. This does not have keyboard light. You won't compare this with this that has keyboard light. This one has keyboard light. So the keyboard light is also put into consideration. Imagine this keyboard light gets spoiled. You know how much you are going to replace it with. So this also is a screen touch, and also it uses a RAM of 8 gig. It uses 8 gig RAM. 8 gig RAM also. So back to this. This system is an Intel Core. Also we take the processor into consideration also when buying system. There's Core 2, there's Intel 4, Intel Pentium 4, there's Core i3, Core i5, Core i7, there's Core i7 also, and so on and so forth. So this system uses is an Intel Pentium, and it has touch screen. Also, this is a Core i5, so this will be expensive than the other one I just explained. So this is the Core i5. The Core i5 is more expensive. The Core i3 system is more expensive than the Core i5, but sometimes not like it too. Sometimes a Core i5 system could be more expensive than a Core i7 system, because maybe that Core i7 system does not have a keyboard light, as I said, or maybe does not have touch screen. So we know that the Core i5 system will be expensive than that Core i7 system, which has no keyboard light, no screen touch, and other things. Also, hard drives also could make us know how to get a better system, or a cheap system, cost system, like that. So the hard drive, there are two types of storage nowadays: the SSD and the HDD. The SSD is the electronical one, the HDD is the mechanical one. So this uses SSD, so it will be very faster. The storage here will be faster because it's electronical, compared to like this one that uses HDD, just normal hard drive, mechanical hard drive. So we expect this to be lower. The speed of this to be lower. Of course, when you put in Photoshop, CorelDRAW, this one is lightning fast, while this one might be hanging to select softwares. Also, this is an Intel Pentium, but this Intel Pentium is faster to this more recent computer. Why? Because this uses a 6 gig RAM and the other one uses a 4 gig RAM also. So even how a system is big, some people when they want to buy sense, they will say I need a compact system. Compact in such a way that you see how big it is. The bigger it is, the stronger it is. You could do video editing, you could use it for any video editing software or gaming software or any computer aided designs. So this one also is fast because of the 6 gig RAM and how big it is. Though it does not have keyboard light, it does not have it's not a touch screen, it does not have SSD, so the price will be lower even compared to this one. The price will be lower. So also there is another one here. This is a Core i5. This uses an HDD. This Core i5 system and this are the same thing. With this EliteBook are the same thing. They are both the same system, but the difference is that this uses an SSD and this other system uses an HDD. Now I also have another system here in which we could use to judge those systems. Also, see this one here. This is for one of my customers. So this is a Lenovo Core i3 system. People tend to say maybe HP is the best. HP is not the best system in town. Not that HP is not good. We can't say a particular system is the best system in town. And when people come in here, they say they want HP, they want this. No, it's because HP is popular. Because HP is popular, like when we say Maggi. Maggi is not that Maggi is the best ingredient in town. It's because of its popularity. That's why they tag other ingredients as Maggi. So some Lenovo are even more rougher, more tougher in the work than the so-called HP. So this HP is a Core i3 HP, and it also has a graphics card. Also, a graphics card is another thing we need to put into specification. Graphics card. What we mean by graphics card is it's like, in a layman language, let me say, a dedicated space for computer aided designs and gaming. So this is a Core i3 Lenovo system. This system is faster than this. This HP Pavilion, which is an Intel Pentium, is more expensive than this because of the screen touch. Even if it has keyboard light, it will still be more expensive than this. But this is more rugged. There are some applications in which this system will carry, and this one will not carry it. This smaller one won't carry it. If you try it, it will just crash. It has been tested. So you see, like I said, this is compact. In case you want to do Photoshop, CorelDRAW, you want something like this, video editing software, and there's an app called Unity. This system cannot you cannot install that app called Unity. That Unity app is for gaming, so you cannot install that Unity app on this. Why? Because it's old model. Unity app works with, it's a platform for making games like Android Studio. But this is the best fit for Unity app, and the other one, this is the best fit for it because it is latest. It has latest technology in which that can also use. So when we come to desktop, also everything I've said, it's also applicable to desktop. You could check when buying a desktop. You could check on. It does not mean if it is Dell or HP or Lenovo. You check the graphics card. You check, is it hard drive or SSD. Desktop nowadays uses SSD also. You could convert it. Some customer will come and you say, convert my system from hard drive to SSD. So we'll do that. We'll do that here. Also, what else? Well, that's all. My name is once again is Olani, and I'll see you in the next video.